Mad Wagwan peeps, welcome back to the 100% Talent Show, and we are talking about the interview section right now, where we talk about the contestants, a little bit about them lifestyle and stuff, which is also brought to you by Aqua Life, the healthier choice. You know what I mean? And today we have on stage right now a youth where if you look upon him, you can't see it. Humble, just the same, not that much, you know. But if you look upon him, you can't hear it. You're not going to see it. We're talking about Geminist, and I'm going to show you why I say what I say a while ago. Geminist, why go on? Big up yourself on the stage.
Yeah, well, you know, I'm there, you know.
Think good?
Representing everything good, you know.
Yeah, man. So
thanks to life and shit.
Yeah, man. For the person them who don't know Geminist, just give them a little 10-second rundown on who is Geminist.
Yeah, well, Geminist was once a shy one, you know. Yeah, you know, years of growth and advice, you know, and thing. You know, it kind of build a strength, you know, me for really say, alright, you know, I go ahead and do it, you know.
Straight.
Yeah, me once try rising star, pass all of the round and go on stage, face Anthony and all of them, and the voice couldn't come out, you see?
Yeah.
Just, I don't know what go on, but something go on, you know, be adrenaline, you know, be a bag of thing, but as you can see, you can listen and, you know, you know what's going on.
Straight.
Yeah. So,
yo, when you say Geminist, you know, we are talking about a youth to have a very powerful voice. Me have to call it a masterpiece, because most person hear it and understand say it's not an easy thing to do. But you bring it off as if say, yo, it's like a walk in the park. You see me? How do you describe your music to the listeners out there right now?
Well, I describe my music, you know, as, you know, a powerful, spiritual, you know, a lot of message. You know what I mean? Yeah, and especially to what's going on. I have a lot of, you know, music that, you know, relating to, you know, what's going on. And, you know, yeah, I do also jazz music.
You do jazz music?
Yeah, I do a little jazz. Yeah, R&B, you know. Yeah, and reggae is mostly my thing on top of it too, you know. Yeah.
True. Alright, so when did you realize that you wanted to take music seriously before you go on the other platform then?
Well, you know, it was in I went to art school, really, you know, and one day I was singing to myself, not realizing there were a bunch of girls behind me, you know, and when I finished and I turned around, I was like, damn, you know, and the girls were saying like, yo, youth, look on me knee, feel my heart, you know. I said, John, I go to man rest me out on the girl at a beach, weak in her knees. She says the last words.
True.
You know, so till them push me and say, oh, them a keep a concert, I must do a thing. And,
true.
You know, me have the whole place a rap, I do all a gospel and I did it from before, and all of the youth, them say them a bad man, them always stand up and I watch at the concert, but me I tell you that day there, all of them have the man in the sky rocking like, so, you know, it's
that's
like,
a memorable point right there, you see me?
Yeah.
Alright, so where do you reside? Which part you represent, like, you know?
Well, you know, really I'm from Senton, you know, Bamboo, in a little district, I'm called Yearsload, you know? Yeah. And I'm staying in Portmore right now, work-wise, you know, so big up to Portmore. Yeah, and
straight.
Yeah, respect for the love and everything,
yeah,
where,
man,
you know, every ones and ones give me, you know.
For real. You have any singles? Oh no, you have any albums, any EPs? Are you going to pursue one?
Well, I don't really have anything out now, but my aim was to get as much advice as I want. So I went to, you know, a few many studios, you know, just to get advice, you know, and how to go about, you know, using the tones, the melodies, and all of that, you know. So
true.
Yeah.
All right. So you don't have any songs recorded as it?
No, but I'm thinking about to go ahead now and, you know, give it my shot. Give it a shot.
Right.
Yeah.
May I ask you questions like, why should people listen to your songs? You know, but later on, I'm gonna make them know why.
Okay.
Why should people listen to your songs though?
Well, why should people listen to my song? Well, I bring forth a different style to the table.
Trust me, different style for real.
Yeah, you know, and
it's like to me, your music is different. It's like you are bringing different genres and you are infusing them as one. You know what I mean? And it sounds great.
Yeah.
It sounds very great. You know what I mean? It's like you will use a soulful voice on a dancehall beat, You know what I mean? And your main messages are positive. I respect that. You understand? Who did introduce you to the 100% Talent Show?
Well, yeah, J Vibes, you know. Yeah,
Big up J Vibes.
Yeah, big up J Vibes from Portmore, you know. Yeah, yeah, I'm kind of, you know, working with him a bit at the moment, you know. Yeah, so, yeah, and respect
Straight.
for the love you're showing, brother. Big up yourself, you
Straight.
know. Yeah.
So you're getting any support as it relates to votes here?
Well, you know, the voting side kind of rough, you know, because I'm a security officer at the moment, so I work like during the day. Where I'm working now, I don't really have a lot of people don't really come on the compound like that. So, you know, the voting kind of give me a fight, and I don't have a lot of people here to say, you know, all right, yeah, get some vote for me, you know, while I'm at work. So, yeah,
but regardless of if you win or lose, you know, I mean, it is always a great vibe to share your voice and share your message on a platform, you know. So sometimes persons join a competition, then they really join it for the winning thing, you know, because most persons will win the competition and really go further than just winning the competition. You know what I mean? Persons just come to exploit them talent as much as possible. For the masses can hear for that one person can hear for change them life. Said way.
Yeah.
You understand? So before we go, I want you to just send some shout outs before we go.
Well, I don't know. Yeah. Big up Bamboo, you know. Big up the whole of Bamboo, you know. Big up the whole of the artists, them, the young youth, them, you know. Yeah, and I have a message for you, you know. We are energetic beings, you know, so just try to spread positive message, you know, spread love. We need more love in this, you know. It's not about the bag of gun and too much of that are going right now, you know. Yeah. Big up Portmore, big up Portsmouth, big up Waterford. You see what I say? Yeah, big up my fans them, big up Waterford. As I said that already still, but you don't know. Big up art school, the people them were really, the people them were grow me, you know. Yeah, another thing where really make me realize that you would do it, you know. Yeah, man, and big up to my mother, my father, my brother them you don't know, Marva. You see me, I say grade and same speed. Yeah, man, that's quite it, you know.
Big up yourself.
Yeah.
Yo, you don't know still. That was Geminist, one of our contestants here at the 100% Talent Show. And we just want to say a big shout out to our sponsor, Aqua Life. Healthier choice, right? And before we go, more on Geminist. You know the song what they call Reasons? Earth, Wind and Fire? No. Reasons. The reasons that we're here. The reason that we're here. And you have the voice there, brother? And the voice there you have, you know? Killer voice that there, brother. And the killer voice that boy. You don't know still. They're going to see up on the cover.
Girl, we belong together.
Sick.
Loving you whether times are good or bad or happy or sad.
Mad.
Yeah, you know.
Mad. Geminist. Big up yourself, brother. Thanks for forwarding for the platform still. Yo, tough voice that in there, brother. Marjorie, don't try that at home. Alright? Yo, what's so forward?
Together, forever, is a lie told to us as kids. It's obvious in the way that we live. Unforgettable. Even after we've agreed to forgive. Baby, let's talk about love. Let's talk about trust. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so first and foremost.